Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Work Supply Company. Today I have for you an extremely nice package. This is a 2017 Kubota B2650 with the Super B cab. This is cab heat air, factory cab, LA 534 quick attach loader with skid steer quick attach. Tractor has just 547 hours. This was a local man's tractor. Hanging on the back, what makes this package so nice is this is already set up with a GCK 60-30BB power flow bagger system. So not only is it a cab heat air, it's a non-emissions tractor, it also has a 60-inch deck with a power flow bagger. 3-point hitch system is here and complete for it with top link. This is a very, very nice clean tractor and was well maintained. I bought this from a local gentleman here in our own hometown. Well cared for. He just updated to a new tractor, and all he primarily done with this tractor was mow grass. And you can see that the tractor is very straight, very clean. One other thing to mention, this tractor does have a set of front Power Beyond remote hydraulics for a grapple if you ever choose to run one. It has that. And it also has, what they've done is they set it up so you have a set of hoses in the back. If you want to run a wood splitter, it has a Power Beyond to the back. So we're going to start here under the hood, take you completely around this tractor. Tractor, you can see from the hood, is very, very straight and clean. So under the hood of this tractor is going to be powered by a Kubota D1305 3-cylinder diesel engine in these. Starts, runs excellent. We've just done a complete and full service. We changed all the filters and oils, including cabin filters. We like to do that so we know what we have and it's done. Again, the 2650s, a lot of guys know these are a non-emissions tractor. This is the biggest B series that you will buy in a Deluxe B series tractor without going to emissions. So the 2650 is going to have all the things you want, the creature comforts, where the 01 series does not. Factory 60-inch bucket. He did send the bucket over to a local big-time fab shop in our area, and he had a heavier cutting edge put on. He's just a particular gentleman that way. Want everybody to see that. There's no damage. He just beefed it up. Titan turf tire package. All match, all rubber 75%. 60-inch deck again. Very, very straight and clean. Super B cab. Does have the optional rear wiper. Does have the optional rear defrost. Bagger system while we're back here. Beautiful bagger system. For the time it was put on, he told me he's only ever taken it off several times. Bags are very nice, which is very evident whenever you go up and you take a look at the 3-point hitch kit. I'll open the door here. We'll get through the inside. Deluxe seat with the armrest package. It is cab heat air. It does have the AM/FM radio, tilt steering wheel. The interior of this cab, truthfully, is immaculate. It is very, very clean. Does have the optional work lights on the front. It does have the turn signals mounted up high on the rear. I'm gonna hop in here. We'll show you here 547 hours. Thank you, Matthew. Again, cab heat air, AM/FM radio, cruise control. Here's going to be for your auxiliary hydraulics, open and close. Rear defrost again. I'm going to go ahead and start this tractor up. We're going to run it around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. guys, there you have it. 2017 Kubota B2650, 547 hours, cab, heat, air, AM, FM radio, 60-inch decks. That's going to be an RCK 60-30BA, GCK 60-30BB. That bagger system alone is a $2,500 bagger system. I think new they're $4,900. Very expensive bagger system. Very nice setup. This is a setup that every guy out there would want. I happen to have it. Very happy to have it. Good used equipment is still hard to come by. I don't care what anybody says on the internet. A lot of guys who produce videos, they seem to steer you in two different directions, and it's like there still is a shortage of good used equipment, and there's still a shortage of new stuff. You know, you can't hardly buy loaders. That's an issue. So if you are looking for a nice tractor, right now it's time, it's cold, it's nasty out. It'll be a nice, if you're going to clean your driveway and whatnot, here's a nice all-season package tractor. 814-658-3066. Check us out online at www.marksupplyco.com. Thank you again for checking out Mark Supply Company. As always, have a great day.